lost a wing.
Now, I tell you, that airplane's got something bad wrong.
A banger banger. Won't play.
He knows he knew that those were big. Some of those are big blocks, and some were small.
Yeah.
Some are big and some are small.
I see you. Say hi, Uncle Bill.
You say hi. He told Uncle Dave bye.
Yeah. Tell him bye.
Yeah.
And
Uh-oh.
Uncle Dave brought him something.
it's raining on Philip. It's raining on Philip. Oh, no, 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 no.
What's it doing, Philip?
It's raining on Philip.
Is it raining?
Yeah, it was raining on him.
Oh, no.
You get your socks wet out there.
It's wet.
Come back over here.
We'll have to wash
They'll
and
get
throw
wet
it
over
dry.
here too, yeah. Yeah, they're already wet, aren't they? You want back under there? Your foot, okay. Get under.
Oh, boy.
Come here, let's take your socks off. Come up here by Echo, let's take your socks off.
Woo. I believe I'll take mine there and wash them.
Well, don't hurt 'em. You don't have any more socks, do you? You didn't bring any more.
Maybe Jason will bring him some, but I'm not sure about it.
Rain's on my foot. Are you ready? Yep. We'll get back under there. Move back a little bit. There you go. Ready?